How is everybody doing? This is a Barber Electronics tone press parallel compressor. Believe it or not, this pedal was given to me, just given to me. There is still some kindness and there's some charity in this planet. The owner said that it wasn't working or something like that, and I don't know. He thought he heard something frying inside it at one stage, and the light wouldn't come on. So I put in a battery. I tested it with the power supply, and it worked perfectly. Yeah. So anyway. It's actually quite nice. You know, if you know anything about guitar compressors, it kind of squishes your signal, but I find that it kind of reduces the highs a little bit, so it can kind of kill the sparkle. You know, compression is nice if you're using chords and stuff like that. I think it really suits single coil guitars, you know, a Strat or a Tele. It gives it a nice little punch. But I've never really liked it with humbuckers. But again, for lead work with a humbucker, you can get a beautiful warm tone because you can sustain it. Yeah, you can see the controls on this. You've got a volume and then you've got a blend. What happens is it blends the compressed signal with the main signal that's going through it. So you've got your sparkle. And then you've got your you've got your compression. So you know, it brings the notes up, gives you a nice little bit of a squish, and there you go. Barber are made in USA. I have some information here on the computer about it. I downloaded the manual. I have it here, how it works and all that kind of stuff. It says, let me see now, precision components, full-size pots, cast aluminium enclosure, double-sided board. This is the way the military does it. Plate through holes, yeah, it will work forever. You know, all these things can be fixed, you know, compared to the surface mount. What else does it say here? Volume, blend and sustain, and inside there is a color control. Okay, you can kind of go from we'll say the color, what does it say here? The color control is set full on when the tone press ships, and you can set it down low for a vintage quality sound, or else you can kind of boost a little bit and make it a little bit more modern, I guess. Yeah, that's the whole idea. But yeah, you know, I had a quick blast off it and it was nice. Sounded fantastic with the Telecaster. So we're going to check it out. The guitar for this demo is my Fender American Special Telecaster, fitted with Texas Special pickups. The amplifier is a Fender Bassbreaker 15. Okay, so the controls, the volume is to set the level, obviously. The 2 o'clock position should be about the same as the bypass with most standard pickups. Turning the blend control all the way counterclockwise will make the tone press a Class A clean boost. There you go, so it's a Class A clean boost. With about 8 decibels of boost. As you turn the blend control to a neutral position at 12, the output that is available rises to about 15 decibels. Turning the blend control all the way clockwise gives you a classic guitar compressor with a Class A FET output. The sustain control is much like what you'd expect from vintage guitar compressors. Okay, let's have a blast. This is what the get the amp up a little bit. green signal, the bridge pickup. We need unity. Okay. Yeah, you can feel a nice squish there now. It's nice, you know. Really feel it there. It's like a clean version of the Boss CS1, which is my favorite really, but it kind of is a very snappy one, you know. Full bit of noise there now. Sustain. I love it. I love chewy. Oh, yeah, I like it. Let's put kick a bit of dirt on it. I like it. I think it's a nice one, you know. If you were doing a gig and stuff like that, and you didn't want to lose any clarity. compressor, certainly worth thinking about if you're in the market for one. I have lots of compressors. I've got the Dynacomp IMXR. I've got Boss CS1, CS2, CS3. I remember using the Boss CS3 from 1992 until around 2016. Then I switched it out for the Boss CS2. Wasn't really too happy with that, and then I got the CS1 and I loved it, but I don't really use them that much anymore, like, you know what I mean. But I've had all different types. Yeah, handy tools for certain things. But yeah, so anyway, that's it. Each to their own. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and take care.